Aye, Captain, with a pinch of magic and a scoop of adventure, we shall uncover the secrets of this enchanted toasted meringue top pie. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Hey, Captain Breadhook, do you suppose you have some malt chocolate in that chest?
Aye, but it be in another chest on a faraway island. And I know just where it is. I memorized it.
Welcome to my loony kitchen.
What do we do, huh? This means another adventure. Great, we'll get started on the crust. Take 40 chocolate sandwich cookies, filling and all, and pulverize them. Add in half a cup of melted butter and mix it all the way in to soak into the crumbs. Pour it into your pan with a removable bottom, or you can use a regular pie plate if you like. We're getting fancy with this tart pan. The holes around it make for a crispy and more evenly baked crust. Slowly and gradually spread it to the sides and work it up the sides. This recipe is for a 9-inch pan. Hey, Captain, how you coming with the malt chocolate? Aye, Frida, the island be guarded by a purple monster. I'll distract it with my meringue super soaker. I think it's friendly. Eureka! The malt chocolate is ours! Hey, it says right here, it supports immune health. That means we can have it for breakfast. And bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Separate 6 eggs. Put the yolks in a bowl and the whites in your mixer bowl. You'll see why we're using the metal bowl in a minute. We separate them outside the bowl because you can't get any yolk mixed in with your whites. One little speck and you have to chuck the whole thing. And the shells are great for the garden. In another bowl, whisk together a 1/3 cup of cornstarch and a 1/2 cup of milk. Cornstarch likes to clump up, and this is one of the ways to mix it in without getting the clumps. Whisk it into your yolks and set this bowl aside for a moment. And in your favorite saucepan, heat up 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of sugar. Put it on medium heat and heat it until
160 degrees.
160 degrees! And important thing is to keep it moving around. You don't want the cream to scorch on the corners. Drizzle it in slowly to the yolk mixture. Thoroughly mix it and pour it back into the saucepan. This is called tempering, where you slowly bring up the temperature of the yolks without making scrambled eggs. We switch to the spatula and keep it moving. You want to heat it slowly until it gets nice and thick. This is going to take less than 10 minutes. There you go. Push it through the fine mesh sieve. You'll catch any scrambled eggs you might have made. Yep, we made some right there. This is also going to give it a silkier texture. Stir in 4 ounces of dark chocolate and 2/3 cup of malt chocolate powder mix. Hey, Captain Breadhook, I wonder if we could use those malt chocolate candies instead. You mean pulverize them into a powder and mix it in? You might be onto something. Now for the meringue top. We're gonna make something like 7-minute frosting. Place your mixer bowl over 1 inch of water and don't let the water touch the bottom though. Add in 1.5 cups of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Whisk it all together, and just like any old meringue, it starts out looking like snot, but then it loosens up as it heats up. You heat it to 160 degrees to pasteurize those eggs. Place it on your mixer and whisk to stiff peaks.
Not yet. Still a little wimpy.
That's too lumpy. Yep, I see a mountain peak in the bowl. Now here's a little tip. Leave your bowl on the mixer while you scoop the meringue into your piping bag. It keeps the bowl in place, so you're free to concentrate on getting it into the bag and not everywhere else. We use a large open star tip. Oh, doesn't that just look so satisfying? Squeeze, stop, pull up. Squeeze, stop, pull up. Squeeze, stop, pull up. And then toast it for dramatic flavor. Prepare yourselves for the most scrumptious pie, me hearties. Ah, the taste of victory and silliness. This pie is a treasure worth every chuckle. Leave a comment. It makes our day. It really does. You should see Frida get all tickled about it.